You ground me for no reason. And you're Wario and Luigi, yes, Mario and Luigi, no, Valis, and Alan the Video Maker 64 wannabes. Mamma mia. Jack Booth. How dare you make a bad video out of me and give me a Microsoft Sam voice when my voice is Stephen O'Joey. You know I am not a troublemaker.
But, Luigi, I'm sorry.
Shut up!
I don't care. You are grounded for life. And for this, you will stung by the bees. Come with me right now. Okay, Jack Booth. Here's your punishment. Get ready to be stung.
No. Please don't do this.
Say all you want. Now run. There. This is what you get for making a grounded video out of me for no reason. So long, jerk.